Ngokusho kwembiko, lo Uthishanhloko utshela abazali ukuthi babhale incwadi esikoleni basho ukuthi izingane zabo angeke zikwazi ukubhala izivivinyo zikaMatric ngoba ukubhala kwazo kuzokwehlisa isibalo sabafundi abazophasa. Umnyango wezemfundo e-Eastern Cape uthathe isinqumo sokumisa emsebenzini.
I can say and confirm that indeed the school principal has been given a precautionary suspension so that the investigation can take place smoothly without his interference in the process.
Okhulumela enyunyana yothisha esifundazweni uthi okwenziwe uThishanhloko kube ukunyathela ilungelo labafundi nokudicilela phansi isithunzi sabo.
The dignity of these learners was severely affected because they prepared themselves for the whole year for this to take place, for them to write these exams, and then within a week before they could write, they were told that they could not write.
Ngokusho kwabantu emakhasini ezokuxhumana, izigameko ezifuze lesi seziyinsakavukela umchilo owesidwaba ezikoleni lapho abafundi abangenzi kahle esikoleni bemiswa ukuthi babhale izivivinyo noma ke begcinwe ku grade 11 ukuze bengehlisi isibalo sabafundi abaphasayo ku Matric. Okhulumela isathu uyakuphika lokhu.
I would not believe that this practice is widespread. It's the first incident that we have received. Yes, there is a lot of pressure that has been brought about for schools to obtain high marks, to obtain 100% in Matric. And as such, we've always been against this pressure.
Umnyango wezemfundo uqinisekisile ukuthi labo bafundi ababemisiwe bagcine bezibhalile izivivinyo baphuthelwe iphepha lokuqala kuphela.
Those learners are writing. They only missed the first examination, which was languages, and we will then give them a provision of making sure that next year they do write.
Umnyango uthi uzobeseka laba bafundi uma bengenzi kahle kumphumela yabo.